Note tool is perfect for creators, editors, and team collaborations. Click anywhere on your canvas to drop a digital note. Write reminders, instructions, or feedback directly inside the PSD. You can change author names, organize your thoughts, and leave workflow cues like fix shadows, adjust color balance, or try alternate font. This is extremely helpful for long-term projects or shared files. If you're building a complex design, notes ensure nothing gets overlooked. It's a simple yet productivity-boosting tool many forget exists.